guys, this is Hana from Eurostaging. I'm in Gaithersburg, Maryland, and I have a great news for you, and it's called Under Contract. Woohoo! I will give you a quick walkthrough, but before that I would like to share the story, what was going on with this house. We got called in for staging while this house was already on the market. I think it was week number 3 or 4, and it was not selling. The location is great, price was right, but it was missing the feel of home, feel of coziness, and the buyers were just not falling in love with it, right? So we staged it and it sold. So that was the last bit, last missing piece which was missing in this puzzle of selling a home. So in case you are preparing your house for today's buyers, make sure that you stage it so you will sell faster and hopefully for a better price as well. Okay, enough talking, and let's go inside and have a look how we staged this house. Come with me. To help my crew with de-staging, but before that I will say goodbye to you. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions regarding staging, please do let us know, and if you need our help, call us. We are staging in Northern Virginia, Maryland and DC, and we are here to help you. And if you are further out, I can always refer some of my fellow stagers. There's a whole army of us. Well, have a wonderful day, and I'll promise to take you to our next staging or de-staging adventure. Ciao, ciao! And now go across it with furniture. I'm coming! Philip, cut it.